Damn, Evo. You must be hungry, bro.
I got this sourdough jack. You gotta kill it.
Sourdough jack.
Sourdough, baby.
Let him see it. Let him see it.
See sourdough. The beauty of the sourdough jack.
Sourdough jack. Jack in the crack. Let's see what you got. What we got? That's it. It's kind of small, ain't it?
It is a little small.
It's all good. It's all good.
It's gonna taste good though.
Go ahead. Take a bite of that. What that's looking like?
I'm good. It's good.
Good.
I think we can make a better one though.
I think we can make a better one. Hell nah.
I think we can make a better one and a bigger one.
A bigger one? How big we talking? Cause this right here,
Real small.
it ain't all that big. So how big we talking, Evo?
We'll probably make it the size of this paper right here.
Size of this paper?
Make it.
We talking about what? It's easily gonna be what, 3-4 pound burger?
We can do it. You think we'll make a giant sourdough jack burger?
Giant sourdough jack. Well, shit.
You wanna try it?
Let's do it.
I'm down. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Shit. Y'all heard Evo? We finna attempt to make us a giant sourdough burger. So we see you guys in our kitchen. See how this thing popping off. Let's go. What's up, guys? It's your boy J Scott Top in
Evo,
what the fuck are you doing?
want some grapes?
No, I don't want no goddamn grapes. Anyway, who the fuck you get
Let's
grapes
go.
from? Anyways, guys, so y'all witnessed our Jack in the Box experience yesterday where we had ordered the sourdough jack.
My burger was trash.
Evo wasn't feeling the burger at all.
No, it wasn't.
Mine was a little dry, had my throat sour.
But that's why we're here today.
Yeah, that's why we're here today. I wasn't hydrated.
A bigger and better burger.
Bigger and better burger. So today, guys, we're going to be making our jumbo, or like we like to call it,
Giant sourdough.
giant sourdough jack, fresh from Texas. Y'all know everything bigger in Texas. So without further ado, guys, let's dive straight into it. All right, guys. So as you can see, ooh, that feels good.
This ain't root.
Touch that. Touch that. Touch that.
That's that ground meat.
What?
All right, guys. As you can see, we got our ingredients. We got our ground beef. We got our Tony Chachere's.
Black people version. They ain't want to use salt.
Yep. And we got the black pepper. What's that, Evo?
Garlic.
We got the garlic powder. Gotta have the mayo. You gotta have the ketchup.
Original.
And of course, last but not least, you definitely gotta have the. Evo, did you open this?
I was a little hungry. But never mind. We just gonna keep going. We got bacon.
Never mind that. We're gonna keep going. So
put this out the way.
we got our bacon on deck. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this. So first, guys, what you want to do is get your ground meat. We're gonna go ahead and open that right there. Just a nice little slit, just to get it out. And we're gonna go ahead and squeeze that out.
Knife on Wakanda. I'm gonna use half of it.
Half of it? I don't know. How much you think we need, Evo?
Half of it for the pan, huh?
Half for the pan?
Half.
I'll say half is good. Let me get this last
You're gonna
little
do all
bit.
the dirty work, y'all.
Yeah, guys, I'm definitely doing the dirty work. So stick by us. All right.
Stay with us.
So I think that's enough, Evo. What you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Definitely enough. And before you touch any meat, you want to make sure your hands is clean.
Right.
So I got my hands clean and washed. There we go. Then first of all, we're gonna go ahead and squish that up a little bit, spread that out so you can see why in a little bit. Get my towel, my handy dandy towel, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season that thing.
Sprinkle it.
You know, we like our season, so you know we gotta make sure you put enough.
Yeah.
There you go. A little bit go a long way. A lot go a little way.
You turn pepper bait.
Got the pepper going.
You got a pepper bed.
You remember how Emerald used to do that thing? Then we got our garlic powder in there. Go ahead and make sure that's all up in there.
I like it.
Then you gotta get dirty. Gotta mush that thing.
All his stuff.
You gotta squeeze that thing. It's like a, I don't want to say nothing that's gonna get me in trouble.
A fine woman.
It's like a fine woman.
Fine woman.
Fine woman, like Evo said.
Yeah.
But you gotta squeeze the meat.
Will be enough meat?
I don't know, Evo. Think it's gonna be enough? I think it's gonna be enough, Evo.
You talking about squeezing meat?
I know. That's why I say.
Scratch the last part.
Gotta squeeze the meat. Pause. Pause. So we got that in there. I think there's gonna be enough, Evo. But hey, we can always go ahead and drop a little bit more if we need to.
Since I ate the bacon, I'm gonna do the bacon part.
All right, there you go. We got our meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hands clean before we
We gotta use the pans, huh?
Before we bring meat to the pan.
So these 2 9-inch pans. We're using one, but to keep the burger flat, we're just gonna put this one on top of it and lay something heavy on it to keep it flat.
Y'all heard what Evo said. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that.
Make sure you get the edges.
Then you gotta squeeze that, you know what I'm saying? You gotta, I was finna say squeeze the meat, pause.
People here said no more meat.
It's kind of hard to talk about marinating and touching and squeezing meat without sounding, y'all know what I mean. Hey, stop, that's gay. So we're gonna go ahead and get that in there, guys. Make sure you get it all nice and flat. Make sure you wash those corners too. We definitely wanna
make sure
definitely wanna get those corners. This is gonna be a humongous ass burger.
It is.
When's the last time you seen a hamburger patty this big? All right, guys. What you think of it? It look
like
good
that.
to me.
Yeah, I like that. It look good to me.
All right, cool.
Then after that, you got to do your black people ingenuity. That's what we like to call it. So you got to use our ingenuity. So before we put it, we do have our oven preheated.
We got our oven preheated, guys.
We mess up a lot, but we are.
And, by the way, we went on ahead and
prepared the bacon. So
bring home the bacon. So
we're
going to go ahead and...
Thick slices.
Thick slices, ladies and gentlemen. Thick slices. So we're going to go ahead and pop that in the oven. Just like that, like that.
Boom.
Boom. Then we're going to come over here where our ground meat at. And we're going to go ahead and drop our handy dandy pan on top to keep the patty nice and flat. Make sure you put a little pressure on it.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep it flat. You want to make sure it's nice and flat to go on our...
So the burger won't rise up. So just that we weigh it down with this. This was called ingenuity.
What'd you say?
Yeah, it's gonna stay in there. When we get
yeah, it's gonna stay
there.
Maybe there you go.
There we go.
Flip it a little bit. Bam.
That college degree kicked in.
I'm definitely a cooker. So we're gonna go ahead and drop our meat up in there.
Make sure you stagger it.
Woo.
So it can evenly heat up.
All right, guys, and now we're just waiting for the meat to cook, the bacon to cook, and we're gonna see you guys when we're ready for the next step. Peace. All right, guys, as you can see, I got my handy dandy mitten. Finna take out the bacon.
Burn. Don't waste no grease. Don't waste no grease. Close to burn.
All right, Evo, that's a little crispy.
A little crispy. I like it. I like it like a dog.
Shit, Evo, that's a lot of crispy.
We got a whole another packet. You want to put some more?
Shit.
I'm gonna eat the shit regardless.
Well, guys, Evo's gonna eat the burnt bacon, so let's get it.
So I ain't gonna eat it regardless. The hamburger.
All right, guys. So we just took out the bacon, and as you guys can see, Evo, can you put that back? Can you put that back? Okay, there we go. So we just took out the bacon, guys, and as you can see, it's a little crispy.
On the burnt side.
Yeah, a little bit on the burnt side. Apparently, 400 was a little high. So, but no sweats. We got the ability of magic, and just like that, it's right.
Yeah.
We got it right this time, guys.
Yeah. That's that good bacon right there.
That's that good bacon. All right, guys. So the patty is done. Yeah. As you guys can see,
beautiful bacon is ready.
We got our bacon.
Now it's time to take out this patty.
Time to take out the patty.
Go ahead, do the honors.
I'm going in.
Don't burn yourself.
I know, right? Too late. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, there's our patty.
You're gonna let that rest real quick.
Let that rest. Make sure it warms up. That bad boy is massive.
While we're waiting for it to warm up, we're gonna get ready and get the bread. We're gonna toast the bread real quick.
Then we're gonna go ahead and cut up our tomatoes, and
we'll be
on to the next step. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, we got our sourdough here. Thank you, Panera Bread. Yeah. So we got our sourdough ready. Our manager worked hard to get us this bread, guys. She's stressed, so we gave her the night off. But we'll see her at work first thing in the morning. So as you guys can see, Evo gonna go ahead and butter up the bun. Butter the buns.
Can't be a sourdough jack without the
Can't be a sourdough jack without the toast, Evo.
Yeah,
gotta go ahead and toast that bun. So you gonna go ahead and spread that. Spread it like a madman. And as you guys can see, we got all our other ingredients ready to prep. We got our bacon, check. We got our patty, check. About to cut the tomatoes. As my boy Evo finish on, go ahead and buttering up these buns. So
butter them buns.
Butter them buns. Pause.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I think that's good. So drop it in the oven.
So Evo gonna go ahead and drop that in the oven, and I'm gonna get one of these. It's a colorful ass knife.
You ready?
Yeah. Go ahead, drop that in the oven, Evo. Sure will. There you go. Bam. And I'm gonna go ahead and
Make sure you clean up your workstation.
Yep. Gotta clean up
Stop
the
throwing
workstation.
shit out of here.
Clean up the workstation. Let's go ahead and move our bacon over here. Shit. Bam. Done. Go ahead and cut our tomato.
Gordon Ramsay taught us how to cut.
Gordon Ramsay style, baby. Bam. Look at the tomato.
That shit juicy.
Look at the cut on it. Look at the cut on it. Bam. Look at the cut on it. It is a good ass knife. Cut my damn hand off. Look at the cut on it. Bam. Gordon Ramsay. Thank you. Bam. Should be enough tomatoes.
That should be enough tomato for the burger.
Just in case. One more, just in case.
For the road.
For the road. Bam. Okay, guys, so we... What are you doing?
Okay, guys. So,
okay, guys, so we just took the buns out the oven. They're a little crispy around the sides, but that's all right. And we're about to add our mayo and ketchup. So, Evo, you go ahead and handle the mayo. I got the ketchup. Bam. Yeah. Oh, ketchup not even open yet. Yep, it ain't open yet.
I don't like my mayo heavy. I don't know how everybody else likes it.
Yeah, me neither, Evo. Go ahead and put that ketchup on there. Bam. How you like it, Evo? Like ketchup?
Yeah, I like ketchup.
Like ketchup.
It's a remember, it's a sourdough jack right here.
Bam.
Jack in the box, show us a little.
Yep. I think our sourdough jacks already look better.
You're gonna be juicy, I guarantee that.
I guarantee you that. All right. So, mayo and ketchup out the way. Don't need this no more.
All right. The cheese.
So, Evo, where the cheese at? Oh, bam, right gotcha. There. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. We got our Swiss cheese. Go ahead, open this. God damn, how many?
Just like this. So how the sourdough jack is built is cheese at the bottom, patty, cheese on top, and then everything else go.
So we're gonna go ahead.
Cheese, boom.
Smack that on. Bam. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add another.
Professional layer. Boom.
I'm gonna go ahead and drop another. One more.
Is that Swiss? Yeah, one more. You slide this over.
Man, these cheese is fat.
Got a hole that you looking for the Swiss cheese, you know?
There we go. Oh, they do got holes in it. I was looking for the holes.
For the Swiss.
When we bought the cheese, guys, I was looking for the holes. So if you see, they got holes. Got holes after all. Had holes the whole time.
Get the
patty time.
Patty time.
Patty.
This is a spatula.
I like your idea better. So we got go ahead and got our spatula. And we gonna drop that thing there.
It's that Mondo burger.
Mondo
burger right
so
there.
What's next, Evo?
And then you gonna put the bacon or the cheese?
We're gonna hit it with more cheese and more bacon.
More cheese gonna go on top, but do you want to put the bacon?
Let's go ahead and slap it with that bacon.
Bacon on.
Bacon on. Go ahead, break that up. We just gonna break it up. We breaking it all up.
Burger up.
Okay, Evo.
No more.
You gotta wait, Evo.
Okay. Wait till they finish.
Y'all know Evo like to eat.
Yep.
We go ahead and drop this on there. Bam, bam.
Yep.
Bam, bam. Bacon galore.
Well, then put the cheese on.
Then we're gonna have backdoor with some more cheese. Bam.
Bam, I like that.
Go ahead. What's this? Oh, is this 2 slices? Nope. That's just a fat cut. Bam.
Good cut right there.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add this one more right here. Drop it like that. Bam. All right.
Then we add the
Go
tomatoes.
ahead and drop the tomatoes.
We'll get the tomatoes. Just add 2 good ones. 2 good ones.
2 good ones. 2 good ones.
Yeah,
I
two
get
good
them ones. I don't want it 2 tomatoes. Bam. There you go.
Then we add the
And we're
top
gonna
on.
go ahead and close that. Bam.
Oh!
Oh! As you guys can see, we have completed our sourdough jack. So, Evo, I think we need to cut into this thing. What you think?
I think so too.
Let's go ahead and cut that thing.
Make the cheese
Oh, colorful knife.
they were gonna say
And we just gonna press that down. And we just gonna cut that through. Oh, look at the bacon breaking off of that
Yeah.
thing. Oh, go ahead with a second cut. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Spirit fingers.
Ah,
Oh, it's perfectly good.
there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have completed our sourdough jack.
Jack in
Look
the
at
box.
that. Look at
A
the cheese, the patty looking right,
I like bacon.
the bacon good, the bun looking nice and buttery. Oh my
I can
goodness.
do that.
It
The
looks-
burger is perfectly cooked.
It looks perfect. You
Perfect.
know what, Ever? I'm going ahead and cut this thing one more time because I think I'm going to go ahead and... I'm going to have to try some of this, Evo.
You gotta test the product.
I'm going to have to try this, Evo. All right. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go.
Gotta cheers.
Go ahead and squeeze that. Burger cheers. Let's go. 1, 2, dive in.
Oh, it's delicious. It's good.
The meat is so seasoned.
Jack about need to call me.
The
I got
bacon,
the recipe.
the tomatoes, the ketchup, that Swiss. Elbow.
We done this.
This is a big ass. This is a good big ass burger, Elbow.
That's good. Manager, aka camera, you want some?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Go ahead.
No,
time?
you can't handle it.
Go ahead. Let me cut you a piece of
I'm
that.
gonna get them some.
Cut you a piece
That
of
burger
that.
perfectly cooked right there, man.
All right. Here you go, cameraman.
Okay, so the man beyond the camera can get some.
There
Okay.
you go. Go ahead.
Perfectly cooked.
Go ahead and try that.
I'm doing this.
Actually, they're good.
Mm-hmm.
Man, hella good.
It's good as hell. We have more to come, so if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe more importantly. And let us know what you guys want to see us make next.
Yeah.
We love making big ass versions of big ass things, as you can see.
Like you say, from Texas.
From
Everything's
Texas,
bigger in
everything
Texas.
bigger.
So, so this is us cooking with E and J.
Cooking with E and J. Peace.
Yeah, let me get my burger.